difference, right? Essentially, you just need two neighboring terms. Okay, for example, you say this is UR and this is UR plus 1, right? Or UR minus 1. If you can take UR plus 1 minus UR, any two neighboring terms, you don't have to be immediate neighbors. So for example, if say UR is equals to 2R plus 1, right? Then UR minus 1 will be 1 over 2R minus 1 plus 1. So essentially, if you see two neighboring terms, and the difference between the two neighboring terms, you can use method of difference. Okay, essentially, we just want to find the later you'll see why it is so lah. Why method of difference is. So just bear in mind the neighboring terms. That's what you need to know. Neighboring terms are. Now, by expressing this in partial fraction, so partial fraction, when expressing this, usually just use the cover-up method. Okay, if you want to practice the cover-up method, you can do it now. If not, you can just use secondary school method. Cover method is faster. Cover method is for what do you call it? Linear fraction. So let me tell you how cover method works. If you want to find A, okay, then this root of A is R equals to 1/4. Alright. Okay. So what you do is A would be here. This is your A. You replace A into all these except for this root. You whatever you get your root from, right, for A, right, you don't substitute. So A would be 1 over 4, 1 over 4 plus 3. So this will be 1/4. That is cover-up method. Obviously, if you want to find B, so follow me. B would be, the R here is negative 3 over 4. Same thing. Can you see? Too faint, right? Here will be, B will be R equals negative 3 over 4. So if you want to replace into B, B will just be this one. Replace into that. So in other words, okay, this will be 1/4, 1 over 4R minus 1. Okay. So in other words, right, if you want to find this sigma notation here, we just use the partial fraction. What happens here? This is a difference. This is called difference. Method of difference. The difference between two neighboring terms. Okay. So what you do is actually you just need to list down everything. So 1/4. So when R equals to 1, this will be when R equals to 1, this is 3. Hmm. Okay, let me just write it down for you. Actually, your okay. R equals to 1, 2, 3. Then you just dot 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 dot. Then last three terms R equals to n minus 2. I just replace the n minus 2 in n minus 2, n minus 9. n minus 2 n minus 1. So this is r equals to n minus 2. Okay. Here, if you see, this can negative 1 over 7 and 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7, this form a 0 pair. So this will cancel away. This one will cancel away. This will obviously cancel away. So this is what we call method of difference. The difference between neighboring terms would nullify each other. Nullify it. This will just be so thing will just be write this down. What is left behind is 1/3 and okay, here. How to use your calculator and check answer? Always know how to check. Now, first thing is, this may seem trivial. Sometimes you don't need to list this out slowly lah. Like what we did just now was we substitute R1, R2, R3 inside, right? Slowly. Your calculator can actually do the job. So let me show you. What you do is this one. What you do is you see if you lazy to list this down, the one inside here, what you do is you just key this in for 1, 4x minus 1. Okay. Then this is 4x plus 3. So you just put minus alpha negative 4x x. Okay? So this is what you key in. When you key in, you just you see this table value here? You just second table. Oh sorry, too far out. You go to table set. If you're too far out, you go table set, just change to 1. Second table. So this is what you get. So the first few terms can actually you get 1/3, 1/7, you see this one here? Oh here nicely. Before you if this is a simple equation, so you don't need to do this. But when it becomes more complicated, and you can see very clearly that this is a cancelling method. This one, if you add it up, these cancel each other. Okay, that's one. So this is the intermediate step for this this method of difference. So how to check your answer? This is how you check answer. You same thing, you key in calculator. Okay, this is what you do. In the exam, you can check answer for sigma notation. So you key in this. This one can be key in the calculator. You key in this and you compare with your answer here. Okay. So this is sum of so you just put math, scroll up summation. You can sum it. Then see this A. Thinking A means you need to put alphabet in. So this alphabet in, you put R. You put alpha, press R, press 1. Then the N, right? The N you put X. Okay. So this is 1. Then you just put 4x, 4r minus 1, 4r plus 3. You can actually check your answer like that. Then after that, you key in what you found in exams. So remember this n is x. So this is 1/4. 1/3 minus 4. Is that okay? One key in the question, the other one key in the key. Then once you're done already, same thing. You go to the second table. You compare. The stars must align. The question solution and your solution must be the same. If it's not the same, of course, cannot be the question wrong, right? Like your answer is wrong, right? Yeah, so go and check. Okay. So remember, you can check answer using calculator.